Hey guys, the quarter 3 result of JSW Energy has been announced and the company reported over two-fold jump in its consolidated net profit from 124 crore rupees to 324 crore rupees for the December quarter. The company's total revenue increased by 20% year on year to 1984 crore rupees during December 2021 quarter from 1659 crore rupees. The consolidated net worth and consolidated net debt as on December 31 stood at 16,082 crore and 6,021 crore respectively, resulting in debt to equity ratio of 0.37%. The liquidity of the company continues to be strong with cash balance at 2195 crore as of December 31, 2021. Guys, the quarter 3 result of JSW Energy is fabulous and the company is really doing great. The current capacity of JSW Energy is 4.6 gigawatt and the company wants to achieve target of 10 gigawatt by financial year 25 and 20 gigawatt by financial year 2030, with the entire capacity addition being driven by renewables. Guys, JSW Energy is one of the best energy sector company with awesome balance sheet and a profitable and cash generating operating portfolio. So guys, the video ends here. And for daily stock market updates, join our Telegram channel. And if you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.